Hi Bean Beauties, I have specially made just for me bag right here from Itshadrian. It's a Itshadrian special, so if you want to know what it is, then come on back. Hi Bean Beauties, Bean here. How are you doing today? In case you are new to my channel, I just want to give you a little bit of tidbits about my channel and about me. I am a 55-year-old grandma, and I am here to share my shopping hauls. Pre-loved items is mainly what I do, but I also try to buy things on sale because I'm allergic to full price. But I also am a unboxing channel, and I am no longer apologizing for it. Not in this economy, not in any economy, because I have worked many years, and I am an empty nester, and we save and work and do all the things to do it responsibly for us. Not only do I do unboxing videos, I love to do collabs, so you'll see a lot of collabs on my channel with different content creators. And what's sprung out of that is I do lives 1 to 2 times a week with different content creators, those who are in the luxury handbag community. So that's really what's about my channel. So if any of this interests you, please stick around, and see you in a bit. Okay, I'm hoping that this is what I think it is. Yes, it is. It is. Itshadrian had this bag. It had some flaws. He offered his services to it, and I bought it, and then I emailed him and said, can you add some extra? Can you add some extra? Is this any indication of what it is? Yeah, I know, Hadrian, you've been waiting a long time for me to open this up, but it got lost. There's many ways that something can get lost in this house. Many ways. So let's see. Okay. Oh, it took him a while to do his creation, first of all. So by the time it was ready, I had already purchased several other bags, and he shipped it in a big box with other bags. So it took me a little while to figure out which bag it was. And then, you know, my life, I get sick, all that kind of fun stuff. I don't want to, but like I said, this bag had some discoloration on it. I already have one of these bags in my collection, but I liked this color. And then when he said what he was going to do with it, I was like, oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Sold. So here it is. It's a Pillow Tabby. Look at the pillow. Look at that. It's so cute. I have this one in gray, and I got it from Candy Sweet Love for LV's resell over on Instagram. And these were before my time. So there was some discoloration on the buckle, and he said he was going to do this. Can y'all tell? He was going to bling it, y'all, at no extra charge, because the leather was all messed up, because you know how the leather seeds kind of can, from handling it, you know, the leather can get chipped and things like that. So he blinged it for me. So when he blinged it for me, that was part of the cost of the bag. And then he was going to do, I think that, then I asked him to do this, y'all, to do the whole strap. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So he did charge me a little extra to do when I wanted it to have the whole bling effect. So he upcrafted. And it was way cheaper than Coach's upcrafting. He upcrafted a genuine, authentic Pillow Tabby. And let's see, it does come with a crossbody. He blinged the crossbody. Did I ask for the crossbody to be blinged too? Oh my gosh. I don't remember that. Hadrian, I don't remember that. Oh my gosh, Hadrian. Did I ask for that? Or did you just do it? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Look, y'all. Oh my gosh. So he blinged it until it got to here, and then he left that open so that it doesn't get messed up, and then he blinged here too. Who is it gonna? Oh, okay. Very cool. Oh my gosh, y'all. Hadrian, it came out fantastic. Wow, wowza. Okay. So here's what it looks like. Oh man. Oh, here we go. There we go. Wow. I love it. I love it. Okay, I flipped it to where this is in the front. Look at that. And there's the bling and then the sea bling. Oh, wow. Very, very nice. Hadrian, you outdid yourself. Wowza. Wowza, wowza. Here, I'll give you all a closer look. Look at that. Look at that. Upcrafted by Itshadrian. He blinged it out. Love it. So now it's like a brand new bag. It's better. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can top handle it and hold it like this and have that flashiness. This is definitely going to be, take this to my next cruise. We have a summer cruise coming in May of 2026. So this is definitely going to be slated for that, because it's definitely be a great evening bag for that. Not the only places I go in the evening. Wow. What do y'all think? Tell me what y'all think. I will link Hadrian's channel in the description box, so you could go over there and watch. He's a reseller. He's one of my top resellers that I get my items from. And I have been trying to slow down. Oh, I just noticed he did the outside of the tag too. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Sorry it took me so long to unbox it, Hadrian, but I love it. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Put in a peach in the description box. Oh, you probably want to see the inside, right? Have y'all seen it before? Oh, I got a surprise in here. A mirror. He's always giving goodies. This I might have won in a door prize. Hello. It's cute, a Hello Kitty. And here's the inside. It was a very clean condition. It was in great condition. All the way around, and it just, the fact was that it had the owie on the C, and he fixed that. So now I have 2 pillow tabbies in my collection, so I need one more so I can have a collection of pillow tabbies. I know, I'm crazy, y'all. I'm crazy. Oh, they go well together too. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Don't forget, if you stay till the end, put some peaches down in the description box, in the comment box. I greatly appreciate it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.